Are you ready to go to the Girl Camper Camporee? So are we. Let's go. So Girl Camper is the women's largest camping organization in the country, and we host about 200 to 300 events a year all across the country and a few international ones. We have a podcast, we have a magazine, and we have a huge social media presence. And there's no wrong way to camp like a girl. So whether you are a hammock hanger, tent camper, car camper, RVer, we don't care. Come join us and have a lot of fun. What is Camporee?
Camporee is our annual big event, and I guess the easiest way to describe it is it's an away camp for adult women.
This year's Girl Camporee was in Granby, Colorado at Sun Outdoors Rocky Mountain Resort. Over 90 women attended and camped in cabins, RVs, and tents. After I arrived and set up my campsite, I took Rosie outside for a quick walk and then went to get my registration badge and enjoy a welcoming social which involved local beer, a bite to eat, and bowling on the resort property. Each morning we all met for breakfast and we had a great itinerary that would give us lots of things to do. This involved speakers, arts and crafts, and really fun group games. And let me tell you, those ladies came to win. We had speakers ranging in topics from tips to prepping for a thru hike, self-defense, learning about local history in the area, and of course, how to RV with your pets. Did I also mention that there was a super fun theme night that involved a Roper romp? Yep, that's right. We all dressed up as Mrs. Roper from Three's Company for dinner and had a blast. Okay, it's a very, very windy day. We're gonna go take a look at lots of different kinds of campers out here at the Girl Camper Camporee. Oh my gosh, there's travel trailers. There's, oh gosh, even a horse trailer. Let's go take a look at this. What year is this?
2013.
2013. Okay, let's go in here and take a look at this. This is so cute. Okay, so we got a little bed, little bench.
Little bench. I have used that as a bed.
A microwave. Oh my gosh. Look at the color.
Yep.
I love this.
We turned the dinette into a permanent bed, so made a bed platform.
Love that. Okay.
And then this is my fridge.
Ooh,
that we're gonna build a pull-out drawer. Right now,
Okay.
I just slide it out.
So much fun. Okay, so what has been the biggest concern of your working on this?
Of working on this. Well, that vent was the biggest concern. It was installed incorrectly. I don't know if it was installed that way from the factory or the previous owner had done, but they installed it so it opened to the front. And the first time I pulled it, I got to the campground at 7 degrees and the vent was gone and I had a gaping hole in my roof.
Ouch.
Yeah. So I fixed it for that weekend with a Rubbermaid bin and some duct tape.
As we should.
Yes.
As we should. And this is Teresa. She's from Iowa. How cool is that?
Oh, and the other thing is this is the fire exit. It does not have exit windows. These models only used the roof vent, and my concern is my dog. I can't get my dog out because she's 70 pounds. So I installed fire extinguisher, and fire blanket. So no matter what, I can get her out. I don't care if I get out. I just want her to get out.
I'm with you. I love your little, look at that.
My little teapot and my induction cooktop.
Okay, so here's what I learned. So you look up here and it looks like did it have carpeting?
It
oh my
had
gosh.
carpeting.
So originally it had carpeting. Oh my gosh. Baby poop, shag brown, you said?
Yes, baby poop shag brown. Oh, I guess you can't see it. Right there.
Ooh, classy. Yeah, love that.
Stuff so cute. I love.
Okay.
What year is this?
It's a 1968 Redhead, which was made in Longmont, Colorado.
And how long have you had it?
I have had it for 4 years.
What have you done to it?
Unfortunately, I had to replace the countertop and tabletop because it was like wood pulp. And unfortunately, the person who had it before me decided to start painting the cabinets black, so they had to get painted green. I replaced the cushions, and I made the curtains, and just the decor.
I love your colors.
Oh, thank you.
So cute. Oh. So you said 1961?
61 Winnebago, yeah, all original.
Have you had it the whole time, or did you buy it for
I've about 4 years now. I bought it off a gal that was a sister on the fly, and then she joined Girl Camper, and then decided she wanted a bigger camper. So,
Cute.
but I wanted a vintage. I don't know why, I just had fixated on getting a vintage, and it just works out really good for me. I'm comfortable. My little heater just heats it up really easy, and so, yeah, I got plenty of storage, and
I love
I'm
this.
pretty happy, and it's really easy to tow. It's kind of a pain to back up because it is so light and small that it kind of takes any little movement, I'll get it not going straight. So, but I like it too because in my car I can see from my mirror all the way through my car and through the camper to see what's behind me.
Very smart.
I really like that.
Okay, this is for all my Star Wars fans, and I love this. Take a look at what she did to her RV.
It's so much fun.
I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. You have no idea.
You have to go inside. There's even theme music on it.
I'm ready.
Yes. Oh, she did. She just did her propane tank cover. All the sheets are dated from the original 3 movies. All the linens and things. And then I made all the balance covers. And you have to see the shower head as well.
Oh my God. The fridge. And the fridge.
She makes the baby go, girl. I'm the queen of overcompensation. So I pretty much went down the rabbit hole of that. So
This is awesome. Okay, I gotta admit, Star Wars definitely takes the cake. I love them when people go all out in a theme, and she really nailed that one. Great job. That was a lot of fun, and now I understand why they say there's no wrong way to camp like a girl. Lots of really cool RVs, lots of cool stuff out there. These ladies are amazing, and it's really awesome to be a part of this. So if you found a camper that you like that I showed, let me know in the comments. I'm sort of curious which one was your favorite. Let me just say the Star Wars one, fantastic. She went over the top, and it was a lot of fun to go through, so great job on that. On the last night during dinner, it was time for the big announcement when the next Girl Camporee would be held. So make plans now, 'cause Texas, here we come. Am I in focus?
You are. No, you're in focus.
Ooh, close.
Now you're close.
Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and that bell to get notified when new videos come out. Until next week, safe travels and happy tales.